Hello and welcome to Learn Swahili. I am your teacher, Mwalimu Stephen, and I'm welcoming you to this lesson where we shall be learning about the days of the week as well as the months in a year. If you are new to the language, you could consider watching the previous videos as well as considering to subscribe to the channel. Also, remember that the Swahili words will be in yellow while the English words will be in white. Welcome and let's enjoy the class together. Days of the week, that is Siku za wiki. Siku za wiki. And months of the year is Miezi, katika, Mwaka. Miezi, katika, Mwaka. Miezi is a plural, but if you're referring to one month, it's Mwezi. Mwezi. It's the same word we use for the moon. Okay, let's start with Siku za wiki. Let's start with Siku za wiki. For Sunday, we say Jumapili. 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 For Monday, we say Jumatatu. 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 For Tuesday, we say Jumanne. Jumanne. For Wednesday, we say Jumatano. 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 For Thursday, we say Alhamis. Alhamis. Or Alhamisi. Or Alhamisi. Or Alhamisi. For Friday, we say Ijumaa. 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 For Saturday, we say Jumamosi. 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 Now let's look at miezi katika mwaka. Months in a year. Miezi katika mwaka. Month in a year. So we have January. That is January. And this is the simplest part about the language because they are just like they are pronounced in English. January. For February, we just say February. February. For March, we say Marchi. Marchi. For April, we say Aprili. Aprili. For May, we say May. 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 For June, we say Juni. Juni. For July, we say July. 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 For August, we say Agosti. 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 For September, we say September. September. For October, we say October. 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 For November, we say November. 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 For December, we say December. 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 So this is one of the simplest things to learn in Swahili, the months of the year, because they almost sound the same like you do in English. The only difference we have in this section is how we write the words down. For instance, August is Agost. July, we do away with the Y at the end and we remain with the I. So it's always important to note down that as you continue learning the language. And a good example is also December. December. So we do away with the CE and we have the SE, Dece, instead of the C. So it's always important to learn that. I hope you have learned a lot today, and let's do a quick summary of what we just did. And this time round, we are just doing it in Swahili only. So siku za wiki: Jumapili, Jumatatu, Jumanne, Jumatano, Alhamisi, Ijumaa, Jumamosi. Hooray! I hope you did that correct. So let's look at miezi ya katika mwaka au ya mwaka: January, February, Marchi, Aprili, May, Juni, Julai, Agosti, September, October, November na December. Kazi nzuri. Heko. Thank you so much for your time, for being part of these Swahili lessons, and I hope you're getting to learn more. Kwaheri, until next time.